match has everyone backstage buzzing. He is an exciting competitor to watch. He's saying he'll steal the show here tonight, and he looks more than ready to deliver on that promise.
Well, I grew, and by the time I was 10, I was 6 feet tall and a man among men. Now I love my work and I love my play. I hate the fool that'll get in my way. Get in my way, get in my way. I hate the fool that'll get in my way. Don't go messing with a country boy, a country boy, a country boy. Don't go messing with a country boy, don't mess with a country boy.
And you are looking at one of the most unshakable superstars on the roster.
Absolutely a picture of resilience. He's been through ups and downs, but has never given up the fight.
Bitter perseverance is what will make him such a threat in this matchup.
But don't overlook his opponent, a superstar who is tired of living in the shadows.
Right in the mouth, relentless.
Enough already.
Boom, what a punch. Inverted power slam.
That's gonna hurt.
Ooh, jarring back elbow.
He got whipped into that corner. Boom, what a right. Great upside down in a tree of woe.
He's got that boot right up against his face.
Come on.
He can end it here. No, kick out.
Finding hard to stay in this match. Ooh, well measured.
Oh, kick connects. He's returning fire.
Bam!
A drop kick from the middle rope.
Nicely done.
Both wrists captured. And
here's a cover. Oh my, how in the world did he kick out of that?
he's still in this. Through in your face.
He skirts around it.
Reciprocating the initial reverse. Takedown. Look at the clock. Gets to the ropes, and that's going to cause the ref to break the hold.
The WWE Universe is pouring more fuel on his fire right now.
Leaving himself open here.
Now, guys, I can't think of a word.
Here it comes.
London. That can certainly do it.
There's two. An exhausting match by Faber forever.
Two-handed.
By the throat and driven down.
Just whipped into the table.
I can't begin to imagine what he's got planned here, guys.
Maybe it's a yard sale.
Oh my God, look out, look out, look out! Side slam through the table!
Here she comes.
volume on this.
Heartbreaking soul shaker. I've been told about you. A hero, a midnight soldier. What they've been saying must be true. Red hot mama, there'll be trouble. And I'm gonna pay your dues. Now you're messing with her. Son of a now you're messing with her.
Hard not to be excited when the superstar is in the ring. A competitor who has no limits.
She wouldn't know her limits if they were right in front of her, Michael. Some might think she's reckless at times, but it's impossible to get her to change her ways now.
And I wouldn't expect her to fight any different in this matchup either.
But she'll be facing a challenge in the form of a superstar who has a vendetta to settle. You know this one's going to get intense judging by all the vitriol that's led up to tonight.
How's that for a counter? What a shot! Leg drop.
It's effective.
Well-placed kick, producing a trampling.
Sidewalk slam.
Look at her answering back.
Big splash.
And she's using this moment to summon all of her strength.
Strikes with a kick. Hold on a second. Could be a matter of time. Submission being locked in. Is she going to tap, 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 tap?
What does she have?
She's got it locked in. No, she doesn't. That was a great counter and so simple. Oh, the power into a body slam.
Elbow drop.
Right in the mouth. Relentless.
Enough already.
And a quick pin attempt. And an easy kick out.
She still has her expelling unnecessary energy with that attempt.
Rocked by the hip attack. Flat out power.
Wow.
A deadlift military press.
Holy moly.
Slam. Oh, snapping the leg. And again in the other direction. She's got her now. Thunderous power slam. A determined sequence of attacks from her here.
She's executing on her plan perfectly.
And she dodged that one nicely.
Reversal. What a counter.
Sharp jab and series of strikes to the back.
Double axe handle. Oof. She responds with a counter.
Drops the hammer right on the lower back.
Oh my, what a splash.
Oh yeah, she's saying, let's go, bring it.
Short jab. Just raining down those shots to the back of the neck. That's just a beat down.
She covers for the pin. And she thwarts the pin attempt in one.
Still in it.
What a gutsy performance. Hooking it up here. What's next?
Panel suplex. And here we go.
Savage knee to the face.
Can it be capitalized on?
Looking into the eyes of this competitor tonight, you know he understands the significance of this match. This is an opportunity to make big headway on the roster.
But he'll be facing off against someone who is trying to shut down all the naysayers. Someone ready to claim a spot at the top of our business.
Oh, God. Quick pin attempt here. And he kicks out quick.
Too soon for a cover.
Right now he's looking for any way to break out of this, and he does.
Whatever's planned here can't be good.
Dropped right on their face. The adrenaline is pumping, and the WWE Universe is on his side.
In control here with a swinging neck breaker.
Textbook.
He's one step ahead there.
Oh, good night.
Sorry. Look out. He heads outside. Countouts legal in this match. Great counter. Impressive ring IQ on display there. Solid punch. Gets him with the counter. He's getting a little battered now.
It's nothing he hasn't been through before.
Powerless position to be in right now.
Oh, man. 3. 4. Oh, man, you can see he is feeling it now. 5.
Taking this to the floor.
Fireman's carry. Nice takedown. 2. Punch connects. 3.
That'll fillet your chest.
4. Oh my, a jumping DDT.
Absolutely planted.
5. 6. 7.
The referee continues the count, may call it soon.
8.
He gets back into the ring.
9.
Almost a count out. In control here with a swinging neck breaker.
Textbook.
Just punched him right in the mouth.
Relentless.
Enough already.
Able to get the advantage here. Back elbow.
Jeez, did you see that?
In the corner he goes. A perfectly placed target. Oh, flipping the script on him there.
Big overhand.
Loving blow. Did you hear the impact?
What a counter.
Reversal on top of reversal. Both superstars showing great awareness of their opponent's repertoire.
Sharp punch.
And he's able to reverse.
Fireman's carry. Nice takedown.
He's got him down. Is this it? 1, 2. And he powers out.
This could be a tipping point in this match.
Looking for a high-risk move. Uh-oh. Oh, my God, what a move. And will this be it? 1, 2. He beats the count.
A kick out at the slimmest of margins.
submission. He's struggling a bit here.
Yeah, but you can't count anyone out yet. This match could still go either way.
Oh, eye rake. That's not right, but effective.
Straight to the knee.
In control here with a swinging neck breaker.
Textbook.
Just punched him right in the mouth. Relentless.
Enough already.
And out. Now Byron, what's up?
Well, you are about to find out. Oh, my goodness.
Oh, it's locked in. And he's just in reach of the ropes and gets it to force the break.
The ropes become a competitor's best friend in desperate moments like that one.
From the top, elbow drop to the heart. Cover. Is it enough? 1, 2. Barely kicks out.
Both competitors digging deep into their well to keep this match going.
No. Oh, that'll break his arm. Vicious. He is mentally and physically exhausted now.
Holding on by a thread, maybe even less at this point.